So here's a home on Barn Owl. That's the front door. Got a coat closet. And Nadine wanted this one filmed because she likes the one on Crest, 410 Crest better. But she wanted you to see this one because she thought you'd like this one as well. So it's open concept. Kitchen. I mean, things in this home are probably original. So it's not the same upgrades as the last one. And then the backyard. Backyard's nice, it's already done. Whereas on the other home on Crest, you had nobody behind you. So you had privacy in that one. And that's a pantry. So here's kind of a hallway entry. Laundry is off of the hallway. Guest room. The rooms are also larger at 410 Crest. The bathroom. Shower head. Typical standard shower. Linen closet.
Yeah.
Oh, you're good. I could squeeze by. Master three-quarter bath, just like the one on 410 Crest.